Hi friends, today I'll teach you how to find and replace wildcard characters in Excel. Let me to proceed for it. First I will show you wildcard characters in Excel. These two characters are called wildcard where the question mark represents single unknown character and asterisk star mark used to represent series of unknown characters. These two characters are called wildcard in Excel. These are not normal characters and these characters may create problem for you while doing some find replace or some any filter or something. Let us open some raw data. This is the raw data we have where I will put some wildcard character example. I put a star mark at the beginning to say these are pending transaction for some reasons. It can be payment pending or delivery pending or promotion pending. So I put some star mark at the beginning of some records here. Let's say one more star mark, and I just say one more star mark and one more star mark here. If you apply filter here, so let me to apply filter here. Control Shift L is a shortcut to apply filter. My topic is not filter, just showing you when you apply filter. And suppose I want to show all star mark records. So in normal thinking, we think we go to first name column and here text filter. And if I want to highlight all records begins with A, we say begins with A, begins with B, begins with B. Here we are trying to highlight to show all records, filter all records which begins with a star. So we think just we say begins with star will help us. No, will not help you. Why? Because here begins with star means you are saying to Excel show me all records which begins with anything, because star meaning here is anything, any and a series of unknown characters, because star is not normal character here, it's a wildcard character. So if you apply filter this way you get everything. It's filter but not filtered basically. So same way, if you want to find and replace, suppose I want to find and replace, I say control H and I say find star and replace with dollar or replace with blank. I say find star and just replace these all stars with something or blank. If you say replace all, I am finding star here replacing with all, I mean blank. So all here star means we are saying I mean, as per Excel we are saying to Excel find anything and replace that anything with blank. So job is done by Excel. You see all contents are replaced with nothing. So this is a disaster in the terms of replacing. If you are replacing your star or question mark, because these two characters are wildcard characters. I'll just show once again to all of you where the question mark represents single unknown character, star mark series of unknown characters. So how to handle the situations in Excel? Let us say I want to filter. Once I apply filter, in filter if you say begins with, if you want to ignore wildcard character in Excel, I mean these two characters are wildcard only. If you want to ignore this wildcard anywhere in filter or find replace or some, for instance, inside some formula also. Suppose you want to ignore in formula also. So what I mean this tilde sign, this comes below escape key. It's called escape characters also in some softwares. Normally it's called escape character. This comes below escape key, left to one. This tilde, tilda. So we need to use this tilde sign to ignore this wildcard. To assume this wildcard as a special character, we need to use this tilde sign. How? I'll show you. Let's start with filter first. So I have applied filter. I want to show all records which begins with a star. So I go to text filter and here I can say begins with a star, but a star is not wildcard. It's a normal character for us here. So I need to put here tilde sign and then a star. It means we are saying to Excel, show me all star mark record, and star is not wildcard here. So I just say okay, I will get all star mark record here. This is how to ignore wildcard, I mean question mark and star mark. Same fashion, if you want to find replace, I can say find replace, say control H I say find a star. No, star is not wildcard here. So I say find tilde star. It means I'm saying to Excel, this star is not wildcard. It's normal character like ABCD. And I say place with nothing. So you feel that you will see after replace all entire stars are replaced with nothing. See, six replacement done. This is how to ignore wildcard in Excel. I mean, while doing find replace or filter or in any positions, if you want to ignore this wildcard, if you want to behave this wildcard as normal character, you need to put tilde signs to ignore this wildcard. Basically, hopefully this will help you a lot, especially while doing find replace or maybe filter, or maybe you get these characters sometime in your data and you want to replace these characters, I mean star mark and question mark, then we are helpless sometimes because we don't know how to ignore these two characters. So escape character, I mean tilde character, is very helpful here to ignore these two wildcard either in filter or in find replace or in somewhere else. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this will help you while doing data analysis in Excel, especially in find replace or doing filter or something else. You can recommend to your colleague also my videos, your friends also. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this. Shortly I'll see you with some other videos. Thank you very much.